Yes, yes.
Oh, Jah.
I want to free up the world, you know.
Emmanuel stay no
Man was the second and third class.
Oh, Jah.
Oneness.
Free the world and live upright, my people. Oh, yeah. You're the nation, oh yes, and stop them from doing evil. Alrighty then, yeah.
Well, every day them a war. Ask them what them fighting for. I'll go bloody money, house and car. Everyone want to be this real mega star. Yes, that make no sense. Make them know why universal love. Every vein carry the same blood. Tackling the people from them hate and grudge. Cool on, come tell them.
Hey, read the world and live upright, my people. Oh, hi, Jah, you're the nation, oh yes, and stop them from doing evil. Oh, Jah, oi, Babylon come with them funny tricks, where them a play funny tricks, I saw them stay. Funny tricks, where them a play funny tricks, I saw them stay. Hey, now go get mixed in a Babylon ways, no day. So I'm asking Jah to lead us in the right way. Cause Babylon come with them funny tricks, where them a play funny tricks, I saw them stay. Funny tricks, where them a play funny tricks, I saw them stay. Read the world and live upright, my people. Alright, oh yes, you're the nation, oh Jah, and stop them from doing evil. Alrighty then, yes.
Tell them to purify and glorify. Yeah, I be living in a perilous time.
One love to the nation. Just have to free up your mind.
A preparation, pity generation. No segregation, no exploitation,
No isolation. Free the world and live upright, my people. Oh, free the world and live upright, my people. Yes, Jah free the nation.